Ever thought of getting into app development? If you have or not, whether you're a programmer or a complete beginner in this type of field, I want to introduce you to the world of Flutter. Flutter is an open source framework powered by none other than Google. With Flutter, you get to create apps that work seamlessly on Android. We have iOS, web, and even desktop platforms, all from a single code base, so you can build apps for multiple platforms. So why also choose Flutter? Flutter has an amazing speed performance. With the click of a button, you see all your changes in real time. This is Flutter's hot reload feature, and it lets the development process lightning fast. Flutter also has captivating user interfaces that has extremely customizable, high-quality UI widgets that makes your apps visually stunning. Pixel perfect designs that lets you control every inch of the screen that in the long run leaves your users in awe. As I was saying in the beginning of the video, if you've thought of getting into app development, this channel is the perfect place for you. If you are not much interested but made it to this point in the video, let me try and pick your interest. According to Google search results, there's about 6.92 billion smartphone users in the world, and as technology keeps advancing, businesses and companies are looking to have their own personalized apps, so imagine the numerous possibilities. I'll be making a series of comprehensive videos of which we will dive deep into the world of Flutter and learn how to develop great responsive apps all from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, you can like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications in order not to miss future videos. There's a video at the end of this one that will walk you through the process of Flutter installation on Windows. I'll see you in the next video where we'll get started on our journey. Google Ads, eBay Motors, and Alibaba Xianyu were all made with Flutter. So, what can possibly go wrong?